Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So lots of exciting times at the moment with lots of holidays coming up, which causes chaos. So just a bit of an update as to where and how that impacts both the shop and shipping if you're waiting for different items to be shipped out to you. So the public holidays in Victoria are the 22nd and the 23rd, which is next Thursday and Friday. The shop will be closed for both of those days. So next week it'll be only open, the shop will only be open Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and that includes the phone lines. So if you're making a phone call after that Wednesday, it won't be able to be answered. And also any emails received, one or two of us might be able to answer a few of the questions over email if we've got a chance, but effectively the systems are all shut down over those few days. Now, for shipping, so we will be shipping as per normal this week. Next week, we'll only be shipping out on Monday and Tuesday. Now, the reason for that is we don't want anything sitting in depots for extended periods of time. If we ship out on a Wednesday in Victoria, it's going to be stuck in a depot Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's the last thing we want, particularly as Monday is a public holiday in WA. So anything that's going over there will be sitting in a depot for even longer. So any shipping that requests that we have this week will be filled Monday, Tuesday. So if you place an order online, we must have received payment before the start of business on Tuesday morning, or we won't be able to process it properly and get it out, and you'll be waiting till the following week, which is no big deal. It just means it sits in our secure facility rather than sitting in a potentially non-secure facility interstate somewhere. So that's a quick update on that. Also, the fact that WA goes into a public holiday on the Monday means that, so that's Monday the 26th, it will mean that some delayed shipping coming out of the Perth Mint. So we're going to find that there'll be some delays in products getting listed onto the web, arriving here and also being dispatched. So like I said, fun and games for the next few weeks. The other exciting thing though is obviously our Australian tour that we're doing. So if you are in Hobart on the 25th, if you are in Brisbane on the 26th, if you're in Adelaide on the 2nd of October and Perth on the 3rd of October and Melbourne on the 5th of October, grab your tickets. There'll be a link down below as to how to purchase your tickets. Come along. It's going to be a great time over there. It's going to be very educational. You're going to be able to meet some of the team. We'll be able to talk about things, and any of those sticky questions that you want to bring along, we're more than willing to answer them while we're over there. It's also a great chance for you to bring friends and family that you want to help educate about precious metals and how it fits into their lives and their investment strategies. So that's all coming up in the next few weeks. Like I said, it's pretty exciting. So click on some links below and have a great time. We'll see you soon. See ya.